Well, the year is winding down. You could see our Christmas tree over here. I guess I should have turned on the lights. Then you could see the stockings hung by the fire. Thought I'd give you a little different vantage point today. I've been thinking about the end of the year. I think we all do that. And I've been thinking about this channel and this is my 502nd video. And, one of the things that I really push hard is to not go it alone, make sure you stress test your portfolio. But yet, folks, I continue to interact with people that follow some basic rule like the 4% rule for their withdrawal, or they have Social Security and then they've got, a 60-40 portfolio and they say, hey, I'm fine. And then I get them introduced to something like the new retirement software, and they add in their expenses, they add in inflation, they add in rates of return, high and low, low and high, I guess. And the game changes for them. They're either they panic, and most don't panic. Most feel much more powerful because of their plan, because they've stress tested. They looked at timing of Social Security. They looked at varying interest rates, varying inflation rates, and it just changes their whole world. And their comments, and I'm sure you don't read all the comments like I do, their comments are, I was planning on retiring in 2 years, now I can do it in 1. I was planning on retiring in 5 years, now I think I can do it in 2. New retirement is that powerful. Now, I'm not saying it'll do that for you, but I've received thousands of comments, and I'm not exaggerating. I get a few hundred a day. So I get thousands of comments and emails with people tracking me down. Somehow they get my email. And they say new retirement has just been that kind of a game changer. So that's today. I want that to be your challenge. My gift to you is to give you a challenge. Sign up with the free link below. You'll get a free 2 weeks. Go into new retirement, enter your information, and see what it can do for you. The vast majority of people that I interact with, it shaves years off their time, and at the same time increases their confidence in spending, okay? So you enter one-time expenses, you vary your Social Security timing, you vary returns, does Monte Carlo simulations, and it throws advice at you through the intelligence of the software and how to improve your plan. You can actually go in and like manage your taxes, see what your taxes are when RMD time hits. And New Retirement has a Roth conversion, what do they call that? It's not simulator, but it actually says, here's how you can optimize your Roth conversions to minimize your taxes. Here's how you can minimize your IRMA, your Medicare supplement premiums. That's my gift to you. Number one, you go into New Retirement with that link and shave a year and give me a comment. Tell me when you go through this, and this may take a few days, but share with me the impact that going to New Retirement has had on your retirement plans. My bet is you're going to shave at least a year off, which is a good gift. Number 2, you think you got a good plan, you're going it alone, you don't know where to start. My second gift, the second link below is the folks at Money Pickle. They have 16 financial advisors on staff. They're waiting for you to hit the link, and you set up the date and time you want them to call you and talk about your topic. So you think you got a good plan, you think you've thought through Social Security, you thought through how you're going to invest, you thought through one-time expenses, you thought through everything. Run it by somebody else. I can't scream this enough. The number of people that have errors in their plan, it's almost 100%. Talk to these folks. It's free. There's no cost to it, okay? So those are the 2 gifts I'd like to give you. That's end of the year. And then what I'd like for you to do on both of these is send a comment back and say, hey, I talked to the folks at Money Pickle. Here's what it meant to me. I did new retirement. Here's what it meant to me. I'm trying to get this word out there because it is so powerful. The two most powerful tools I got is not going alone. I use my retirement group and I use new retirement. And I know I preach that a lot. I'm always on that stump talking about it. And that is because it's been so impactful in my life. All right? So those are my 2 challenges for you. 2 challenges. You got it. Give me feedback. Let's Joe out.